A very warm welcome to you, my viewers, on Estate Planning 101 with Dr. Titi Adegbile. Today we want to consider a question. And the question is, what type of professional should handle your estate? You know, we have been talking about estate planning in previous episodes of Estate Planning 101. And you recall that estate planning refers to the process of organizing and arranging your assets to help you ensure that they are transferred according to your wishes upon your death or upon your incapacitation. In other words, estate planning prepares you for a legitimate transfer of your assets to your authorized beneficiaries. Those beneficiaries could be your spouse, your biological children, they could be your formerly adopted children, or any other person or course of your choice. In other words, the beneficiaries need not be a human being. It could be a course. So what professional do you imagine could help you plan your estate? What professional could help you plan your estate? Is it just any lawyer who can plan your estate for you? No. Lawyers have different specializations. An estate planning lawyer is the right type of attorney for managing your assets and creating a plan to distribute them after you pass away. An estate planning lawyer specializes in preparing legal documents and providing advice on distributing your assets after death to ensure that your beneficiaries avoid probate, court, and potential legal disputes. Let's look at some of the key services provided by estate planning lawyers. An estate planning lawyer could draft you your will. It's called a last will and testament. Could draft you your trust. He creates a legal document or a bunch of legal documents that dictate how assets should be handled after death. So your estate planning lawyer could help you minimize estate taxes and ensure compliance with tax laws. So we're not talking about tax evasion, but tax avoidance. An estate planning lawyer would do you your business succession planning. And here, she advises you as a business owner on passing on ownership and control of your company after your demise. Also, an estate planning lawyer could help you guide you, her client, on protecting assets from creditors, from lawsuits, from divorces, basically protecting your asset base. An estate planning lawyer can integrate charitable giving into your estate plan. Yes, so you could have charitable planning. Then you could have guardianship designations. And here, a client chooses a guardian for minor children or dependents with special needs in the event of demise. And then an estate planning lawyer also drafts you a living will or other directives related to healthcare decisions. A living will takes effect while you are still alive. An estate planning lawyer will customize your estate plan to fit your particular situation. And this is because there is no one size fits all. So in order to help your estate planning lawyer situate your needs, you'll ensure that there is full disclosure. Yes, there has to be full disclosure on your part. Don't hide facts. Don't be ashamed about the complexity of your own scenario. Be real with your estate planning lawyer. Divulge all that she needs to know. Now, what do you look for in an estate planning lawyer? How do you choose your estate planning lawyer? You want to look first of all at experience in estate planning law. Does this lawyer have experience in estate planning law? Does she have knowledge of state-specific laws and probate procedures? Does she have communication skills and ability to put you, the client, at ease? Does she have experience in handling complex estate planning cases? These are some of the things to consider before you choose your estate planning lawyer. How much does it cost to hire an estate planning lawyer? Oh, that really would depend on the level of experience that person has. But fear not, it's always negotiable. Okay, so many lawyers, as a matter of fact, will offer you maybe a free initial consultation, but then thereafter, you need to pay your way through. So it's time to make a decision. It's time to make a choice about who your estate planning lawyer will be. All right, while you look forward to the next episode, be sure to watch our previous episodes. Hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share with your friends and family. See you.